guys, and welcome back to another video. So I'm filming outside, so it can be a little bit loud like this, and I hope you hear me well. And let's start. Today I'll show you all my Inktober art pieces that I made during Inktober challenge. I haven't finished in my Inktober because, you know, it's the middle of December. And I think that I'm a little bit tired of this challenge, but I like to work with ink. It is my favorite material since I was in art school, and I still love it. All of my artworks that you will see in this video are made only with ink. I had shown you all of my works in Instagram, but they all were photoshopped. So I think that I need to show you original works without any Photoshop, and there will be some bonus in the end of this video. What tools I use for my Inktober is ink, which I use. I don't know actual name of this ink, I just bought it in some art store, it was really cheap. And this is my brushes. One of them is 00 brush, and this is size 3 brush. The big one is synthetic brush. It was white actually before Inktober. And this one is natural, made from Kalinsky fur, and I'm pretty happy with this brush. It is really thin and it makes so thin lines, and it can carry so much ink, and it's really good. So this is my first piece for Inktober. The title was Poisonous, so I drew a girl with some poison in the bottle. And while I was preparing for Inktober, I thought that it will be really cool to do something different, kind of different. So I want to do some poses which I never did. So this is my first, and in this side will be the photoshopped version of each picture. This is the second picture. Title was Tranquil, and I tried to do something really relaxed, really calm. So it's girl in the bathroom with some wine. Let's continue. The third topic, roasted, and it is roasted marshmallow, which this girl eats. I used a reference which I saved before, special for this Inktober. This is Spell, and I drew girl, this little witch who tried to make art with, you know, like some spells. And this is one of my favorite topics, chicken. First I wanted to draw something really sweet and funny, like a kind of girl hugging the chicken, and then I thought that it's too sweet for me. So I drew this. The second topic, drooling. Maybe because of English is not my native language and I need to translate every topic, I thought that it will be really fun to make something, you know, like really drooling. So it's one of my favorite movies, Lilo and Stitch, and here Stitch and a little bit grown up Lilo, who tried to clean window and Stitch is helping. The next topic, exhausted, and in this day I really want to sleep, so I made something really sleepy. My previous picture was the last which I did in, you know, like in the day that I have, in the day that I need to do it. So because then we go to Rostov and I can do everything in time. Next picture, title was Star, and this is some you know, like kind of druid girl with a shooting star on her hands. This is most lovable title. It is precious, and what can be more precious than little kiss from little animal. Next one, flowing. This pose I drew really first time, and it was a little bit challenging for me, and it's also have little mink here in the corner. Next topic, cruel. When I drew it, I thought about Cruella de Vil from 101 Dalmatians, and then I was inspired quite a lot from Dita Fonte's photos. So here is little butt. One of the hardest topic was this whale, because you know, everybody which I saw in Instagram drew just like whale and something like that. And in the summer we were addicted with windsurfing, so I drew some surfing girl lying on the spine of big whale. Next topic, guarded, and there is some Chinese princess guarded by samurais. Simple, but it has so much details and it's really hard to do with inks. Maybe if I used some special tools it will be easier, but I used my 00 brush and it is really challenging. You see that my outline is a little bit different everywhere. Next topic, clock. I thought about this topic a lot, but when I started to do this, it's always going something wrong and I don't like it, so it is maybe the fourth version of this picture. So I'm pretty happy how it looks, but it's not that I want it to be at the beginning. Yeah, it's all about me. The topic is week, and this is a girl with a food addiction. She can't resist any food in her home, so this is some speech bubbles. Can you see it? So it's really all about me. Next one is angular, and when I first saw the list of topics for this Inktober, I thought that in this one I make something with Picasso. So this is one of portraits that he did, so I thought that it is really cool and it's really angular, and you know, it's like an angular love. And can you see this? realism sucks. It was my favorite phrase while I was in art school, because I wanted to be like Picasso or Kandinsky. So next topic is swollen, and it is swollen cake, you know, in oven, and swollen lips. This girl is so addicted to photos, so she make swollen lips to take a photo, but she forget about her cake and it's also swollen. I think it's pretty fun. The next one, bottle. It's actually a bottle here, and it's some I was inspired by one of Miyazaki movies about Arrietty, and she is a tiny girl which lives in a garden, and I thought that it will be pretty cool that flowers are so big, and she carried some bottle with her and take some flowers with her to home. And also she is a photographer like I am, so it was really great. And my shadows, as you can see, my shadows are stronger and stronger, and there's more detailing in every picture. And this is the last one. Topic was scorched. I didn't show it in my social media, I don't know why. I made it in the beginning of December, and I really like how it goes. I like these shadows, I like this, you know, all of this. Just like scorch the heart shape on the board with some light from the window. I did this when I was a child, so I thought that it will be pretty cool. And this is my last picture for Inktober. And what can I say, I made just only 19 works, and it's way more than I did in my last 2 Inktovers, so I'm pretty happy about it. I hope that in next year I'll finish my Inktober, maybe not in time, but I finished my Inktober. So, and one more bonus for you. I drew this picture when I was sick before Inktober, in the end of September, when we came back from Astrakhan from fishing, and I made it with my micron markers. So it's like preparing, waiting for Inktober. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Link to the red sketchbook will be in my description box if you want to try this one. So I hope I see you in my next videos, and if you haven't watched my vlogs, I suggest you to watch them, because I'm trying to do my best for you. So guys, see ya!